In my last video, I raced with extra weight. Today, I lost 1.2 kilos during 2 hours of karting. And this is how I did it. I drove 1 hour into the desert to this go-kart track where it was 41 degrees Celsius. I weighed in at 67.9 kilos at 12 PM. From there, I did a 2-hour IRONMAN session of non-stop karting under the glorious desert sun. And by 2 PM, I weighed in at 66.7 kilos, which meant I lost 1.2 kilos in 2 hours of karting. Physically, it was quite challenging because I had the sun bearing down on me for 2 hours, which would jack up my heart rate and cause me to sweat profusely. To help stop my hands from cramping, I would loosen my grip on the steering wheel down the main straight. Now, according to my Apple Watch, I was averaging around 135 beats per minute, but that was including the numerous kart changes I had to make throughout the session. During the laps themselves, my heart rate was around 150 to 160 beats per minute, and it topped out to 184 beats per minute whilst I was battling somebody else out on track. Now, according to Apple, I burnt a total of 920 calories, but of course that's not always accurate, so you can make of that what you will. Now, I ended up selecting the outdoor cycling workout option on the watch because I couldn't find a go-karting option. So hopefully after this video, we have enough proof that go-karting deserves to be on the workout list. Now, the go-karts at this track are standard biz rental karts with a single engine. The track itself is tight and technical with curbs at each corner. This makes for a relatively medium speed layout, but it's also very bumpy, which adds to the discomfort and physicality. I approached this session with the mindset of an endurance race where it's quite literally a marathon and not a sprint. During long karting sessions like this, it's important to stay relaxed and aim to do consistent laps throughout the session. You're trying to drive each lap as similar as possible whilst making sure you don't overdrive your kart. Be sure to check out my How to Drive Consistently video where I explain all of the key concepts. Since this is still a new track, they're working on installing a timing system, otherwise I would have analysed all of the session laps, but let's save that for a future video. Now, for those of you who do karting regularly, let us know how much weight you've lost over time. But to conclude, I'm often asked, how do you lose weight for karting? Well, the answer for most things in life is to do more karting.